ABML Morning Update. Nifty gains as investors brush aside Trump's latest tariff moves. Global markets. US equities tumbled on Monday as investors grappled with persistent fears around artificial intelligence disruptions to various industries and President Donald Trump's decision to raise his global tariffs. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 821.91 points, or 1.66%, to close at 48,804.06, while the Nasdaq Composite declined 1.13% and ended at 22,627.27. The S&P 500 shed 1.04% and closed at 6,837.75, putting it into the red once again for 2026. Trump continued to assert his ability to increase tariffs on Monday, warning of higher duties for countries that want to play games after the Supreme Court struck down his reciprocal tariffs last week. That comes after the president on Saturday said he would increase the global tariff rate to 15%, up from the 10% he announced on Friday. Trump added that the new duties would go into effect immediately, though it was unclear whether any official documents had been signed outlining the timing. He also said that additional levies would be coming in the next few months. European markets closed lower on Monday, with the Pan-European Stock 600 index edging down 0.45% as major regional bosses ended the session in negative territory. Domestic market. Indian equity indices ended on a positive note on February 23rd. At close, the Sensex was up 0.58% at 83,295 and Nifty was up 0.55% at 25,713. GIFT Nifty trades lower by 114 points at 25,617, signaling a negative start to the trading session. India's exporters in gems and jewelry, textiles, engineering goods, and leather goods accelerated shipments to the United States in recent weeks as tariff uncertainty ahead of the planned interim India-US trade pact prompted firms to front-load orders. In the run-up to tariff adjustments, gems and jewelry exports to the US jumped by about 20 to 25% in January compared with the same month last year, helping mitigate risk from possible trade disruptions. Shipments of engineering and leather products also registered strong double-digit increases as buyers rushed to secure supplies before any policy shifts could affect landed costs. Market sources noted that US importers were adjusting purchasing cycles to lock in existing duty structures, reflecting hedging behavior amid negotiation ambiguity. While overall exports across sectors remained resilient, industry participants cautioned that sustained growth will depend on clarity around tariff implementation timelines and compliance mechanisms. Focus for the day: US CB consumer confidence. Key corporate developments/policy actions. Bharti Airtel plans to invest 20,000 crore rupees over the next few years to capitalize its NBFC arm Airtel Money. MedPlus Health arm receives a 3-day drug license suspension order for one of its retail stores in Telangana. IDFC First Bank clarifies that recent price volatility followed the identification of a 590 crore rupees fraud at its Chandigarh branch, noting that government de-empanelment reports are part of the ordinary course of business. JSW Infra's arm receives a project completion certificate from RITES for the liquid cargo berth project at Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Avenue Supermarts D-Mart opens 3 new stores across Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh, taking its total store count to 452. Fund flow. FII bought shares worth 34.83 billion rupees, while DII sold for 12.92 billion rupees.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.